Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here in YOUCANIC we have our 2012 Hyundai Sonata, and we've removed the window regulator component, and we've gotten to where we can replace our door lock actuator. You remove this with the window regulator, so you'd watch the video about how to remove your window regulator, because this all comes out as one unit, but then you still need to separate this from that window unit. So we have it removed from the car. And now we'll just need to push these tabs and pull this black piece away. Just like that. Now, you'll need to, these little rubber grommets. Remove with the cable, just like this, and you're going to get it up to here, and this you'll have to remove just by popping it and then twisting these a little bit sideways to get them out, and then that way you can pull this completely out. And then here is your window regulator with this attachment still left on it. When you buy a window regulator, or not window regulator, the door lock actuator, when you buy the door lock actuator, it is this black component minus this gray component on here. So you would pop this off. It's just held on by tabs, so you can just get a screwdriver in there and work your way to pop it around. The one last thing is this cable here, you'll want to undo just by popping it in, and then if you push it down you'll be able to get that ball out. And then you would pop this mechanism off and then be able to reattach that to your new door lock actuator, and then you'll go in the reverse order to reinstall it back on your door. So thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.